Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody.
Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. Today's video is part 1 of a 3-part series on resetting, cleaning and organizing my pantry for summer 2023.
Love me like a stranger.
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. To our returning subscribers, a special welcome. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Now I'm getting some things ready to restock the pantry. I'll be leaving everything here on the counter and then I'll be taking everything out of the pantry, wiping down the pantry, and then restocking everything back in the pantry.
Never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea. What will be, will be. Wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing out at sea. Love me like a stranger. Let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a. Love me like a. Love me like a. Love me like a stranger. Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came.
These are recycled jars that I've been using for the last 6 years. Very budget friendly, as you can see. So if you watched any of my past videos, you'll see that these jars are the ones I've used and reused. And each time that I clean and organize my pantry, all I have to do is wash the ones that needs washing and then pack things back in and they're ready to go. Fun fact, these are the jars that I had purchased my bean salads in many years ago at Costco, and I still use them because they're so easy to handle here in the pantry.
I stay, maybe if I hold on longer, maybe if I stay, maybe I will find what I am looking for. I wanna be so.
So I prep these beans for bean soup that I make from time to time for our family.
Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody.
The jars are all completed now. I have quinoa, beans, rice, flax seeds, raisins, almonds, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and of course more beans. I will leave this here on the island, here in the kitchen, and then later I'll take everything out of the pantry, give it a good wipe down, and then restock everything back in our pantry.
Easy, man. You know I still got your back.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you'll come back next week to see what's in store. I'm certainly looking forward to that, and I hope you are too. Until then, goodbye, and of course, good luck.
You know I'm feeling it.